Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about great tools for translation. If you need to translate any document to whatever format or whatever language of your choice, and you want to keep the formatting, you want to keep the table, the images, everything about the document without affecting the format, there are great tools that you can use right now that I'm going to explain to you right here in this video. One of the first great tools that you can use right here, this particular website right here, go ahead and come to this particular website, DOCX.com, and then it takes you to this particular official web page right here. This is one of the great websites that you can use to translate your document without affecting the format of the document. And you have a free version and you have a paid version as the case may be. Okay, so under the free version, you have this, then you have about 100 plus languages. File size upload per document is about 20 megabytes. And then you have maximum page number, which is about 20 per document. You have files supported here, but a lot of different types of files are supported right here. And 24-hour file storage is available for this. And then 24 hours, so just like so. Now, when you get to this particular website, what you need to do is to simply upload your document, and then you can translate from different documents right here, like PDF, Docs, PPT, and Excel, JMI, text, and different kind of format are right here, just like what you see right here. Just click on upload, and then you have your file being uploaded, and you can translate to over, and you can translate to about 120 different languages supported right here. You can come to the under the translator right here. These are things you can translate right here: InDesign file, translate text, translate CSV file, translate JSON file, InDesign document can, Word can, etc. Then if you come to languages right here, you have all available languages right here, like English to French, English to Spanish, and then PDF to Dutch, PDF to German, etc. Over 100 languages here, popular language pairs, and other languages, and more languages in these sections right here. So this is one of the great websites that you can use right now to translate your document without affecting the format in the document. So go ahead and try Docs Translator right now to translate your document of whatever file format. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on sign up for free and start translating your document. The second website I have for you here is this particular website right here. This is another great website. Thai.io is another great website that allows you to translate your document from one language to another language without affecting the file format. Expanding into a new market faster, AI translates your file in seconds. Learn your terminology and keep formatting intact right here. Keep formatting intact. Edit in-house or scale with expert linguistics. Go ahead and click on start free, or better still, you can drag and drop your free file right here. The supported file here is Docs, Excel, text, HTML, and the maximum size file is 25 megabytes. So go ahead and give it a try. You can come to the products right here: AI translator, translation management, professional services, then solutions. These are stuff we are doing right here. And under the resources right here, you can get some of this right here. So go ahead and click on start a free trial, create a free account, and start translating your document without affecting the format in the layout of your document without any stress. Let me know what you think about some of these free websites right here in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about free stuff like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.